Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video we're doing a little bit of cooking, and we're also doing grocery haul. This was the night prior to the grocery haul, and I bought some hamburger meats, and I'm just gonna season them and get them on the non-stick frying skillets for them to cook. So I'm gonna form the buns and then place them on a piece of paper towel, so that way it's easy for me to put them into the frying pan. Once the hamburger is finished, I'm going to get most of the oil out with a paper towel and then place the bread into toast. Now I'm going to assemble my hamburger, and I'm just adding some barbecue sauce and a hamburger. That's just it. Simple and easy, and it was delicious. Here's a taste test. This is the next day, which is today. I went into town to grocery shop, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I picked up. I did buy watermelon and a pineapple from a local farmer. Unfortunately, while working, the pineapple slipped out of the plastic bag and burst, but it's still good, it's still delicious. Now I'm just gonna do my food prep. As I said before, my family will eat all of this food if it's already prepared, and it's just easier for us. So Both the watermelon and the pineapple were sweet this time. Now I'm going to do a late breakfast, early lunch. Normally on days I do go grocery shopping, I don't eat breakfast, which is a bad thing, because everything that you see you want to buy. But I'm making a little pizza for me and my mom, just as a kind of a brunch, just to hold us until I make dinner slash lunch. So you guys will see what I made a little while from now, and I'm gonna put them in the toast. I'm gonna toast them in the sandwich maker, and yeah. It was really delicious, just a simple um breakfast lunch idea. And of course I'm gonna give you guys a taste test. It's a couple hours later, and it's time for me to get dinner ready, and I'm just doing stir fry rice with some fried chicken. I've done it before, but I'm still gonna show you guys a little bit of the process of me making it. It's a couple hours later, and it's time for me to get dinner ready, and I'm just doing stir fry rice with some fried chicken. I've done it before, but I'm still gonna show you guys a little bit of the process of me making it. I boiled the chicken for a couple of minutes, and now I'm just cutting the chicken, and I'm going to season it up and get it ready to fry. I'm now going to stir fry the carrots and the pepper. They do take the longest to get cooked, so I'm just gonna get them done first, and then I'm gonna stir fry the rice afterwards. This is the final product, and as usual I have to give you guys a taste test. I really enjoyed making these videos. Let me know if you guys enjoyed watching them, and if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye.